Who are the largest Bitcoin holders in the world? Are they individuals, public companies, private companies, ETFs, trusts, or even countries and government entities? And before we get into them, it is important to say that I can't verify the data, especially for entities such as private companies. And it's obviously subject to change, depending on when you are watching this video. But it's always good to have an idea about who the top holders of Bitcoin are at any one point. And according to bitcointreasuries.net, a link to which I've included in the description below, the top holders are Sorry for the slight cliffhanger there, but it will come as no surprise that the public company that holds the most Bitcoin by some way is Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy with 158,245 Bitcoin, which is worth over $5.4 billion at the time of recording this video, which is substantially more than the next public company in the list, Marathon Digital Holdings, which is a Bitcoin mining company with 11,466 Bitcoin. And interestingly, Elon Musk's Tesla is in third place with 9,720 Bitcoin. And the top 4 public companies are all actually based in the United States. So let's now look at private companies. And the private company with the most Bitcoin is allegedly Block.one or B1, which is the company behind the development of the EOS network. Its headquarters are based in the Cayman Islands, but it does have offices in Hong Kong and Washington, DC. And it holds 164,000 Bitcoin apparently, which is more than MicroStrategy holds, which would be incredible if that's true. In second place is apparently Mt. Gox, based in Japan, which, as I'm sure you'll know, was famously hacked all the way back in 2014, with 850,000 Bitcoin being stolen. The exchange apparently managed to recover about 20% of the stolen crypto, and apparently now has 141,686 Bitcoin. But as you can see here, it's just delayed repaying its creditors by 1 more year to the end of October 2024. And finally, you have Tether, which is often known by its stablecoin ticker, USDT, which is based in Hong Kong, but it's been criticized a lot for its lack of transparency over the past few years after being set up all the way back in 2014. But hopefully that will change. And Tether apparently holds 54,998 Bitcoin. The largest country holding BTC, you might guess to be El Salvador, given that it adopted it as a legal tender there back in 2021. However, it's actually in third place, and the country with the largest Bitcoin holding is apparently Ukraine, with about 46,351 Bitcoin. The United States is interestingly in second place. And finally, the largest ETF, fund or trust that holds Bitcoin is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which apparently holds 624,947 Bitcoin at a value of about $21.4 billion at the time of recording this video. It has struggled in recent times, trading at a discount earlier in the year. And you can see here that Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has just sold $1.9 million worth of shares in this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. And finally, for those who are fans of DeFi, there is apparently 164,000 wrapped BTC in existence, or just over. So if we were to put all of these together and then put them into order, the top holder of Bitcoin is apparently the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. In second place would be the amount of wrapped BTC held in DeFi, followed very closely behind by Block.one, the private company. And then in fourth place would be MicroStrategy, the public company. So that ends us looking at the top holders of Bitcoin. And as always, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please do like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to offer more content in future. And have a great day.